G'day guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name is Sam and today we will be looking at what's in my travel camera bag. Let's go. Okay guys, so today, as I was saying before, we'll be looking at what's in my travel camera bag. I use the same camera bag to travel and for work and for everything else I do. It's really affordable camera bag that most people can afford. I got it a few years ago and it is the K&F concept. I looked online and it's about $80 online, Australian. But I've had this camera bag since I started photography and I've been using it every single day just about since I got it, and it has not let me down. I still cannot believe how well this thing has been holding up even though I've been using it for 3 years. I weighed it just before and all my gear and my laptop and everything inside of it is 14 kilos. Sometimes I'll have a tripod attached to the side and then a drink bottle in the side, but just for purpose sake today I've just got my gear inside of here. So the thing I love about this bag is it has a compartment on the front, but it's also got the compartment on the back. So to physically get inside this bag, you have to take the backpack off. That might seem like a disadvantage to a few of you out there, but for me, I didn't want anyone being able to get into my camera bag without me knowing. So I'll start off with the front. In the front, there's a nice little slip compartment here. In this compartment, I keep my hard drives and my laptop. They're mainly the two only things that I keep inside of this front compartment. Sometimes I keep like a phone cable and my phone charger and a portable battery or two. This one is the Ankor. It's got 2 USB ports. I love charging my camera gear off of this and my phone off of this. It comes in handy all the time. I have a Macbook Air 2013 or something. It's pretty old. I can't really edit too much on it. I only edit photos on this and it's not even worth trying to do video on it. So on the back, as I was saying before, you have to take off the backpack to be able to get into it. But this just folds out, and in here, this is where I keep all my cameras. So on top, I keep my filter pouch. I really recommend having a filter pouch. It protects your lenses, it keeps everything nice and clean as well. So I have 6 filters here. I've got 2 for the drone, 1 for my 24-70 or 2 for my 24-70, and then a few others here as well. I have some downsized rings as well, but I don't usually carry them with me. So this is what it looks like inside my camera bag. This is my 1DX Mark II and it fits really nicely in here. And I've never had any issues with it. So my 1DX lives here at the top. This is my 70-200mm 2.8. Okay, so just below my 70-200mm here, I have a little camera cleaning kit, Tyoka, I think it's pronounced. I bought this thing on eBay for $10 or something. It's got a nice little blower in here to keep my lenses clean. It's got some lens cleaner and some microfiber cloths and then some swabs for the sensors as well. Just below that, I have my Sigma 35mm 1.4 Art Series lens. I love this lens. I used to use this lens the most. I enjoy taking photos in dark places and this lens comes in handy then. And it's great for portraits. I love using this thing for portraits. So I carry that around with me just about every single day because sometimes I just want to get a little bit wider but I'll have amazing depth of field and that's when I'll use that. Just next to the camera there, I have my memory cards that I keep in these nice little Pelican cases. So inside this Pelican case I got my CFast and CF cards that I use for the 1DX and my 5D Mark IV. And then in here I have all my SD, micro SD cards as well. So I've got a 64 micro SD and I think 332 micro SDs. And I got a 16 gigabyte SD card along with 3 other 32 gigabytes. I've also got a 64 and a 256 that I keep in here as well usually. But I'm using them to film this video. So then just below this, I have a little pouch for my cables. I keep some USB-C cables in there. Again, a phone charger just in case I ever need it. It's always handy to have in there. Then I have a GoPro chest mount that I keep in here because I never know when I'll need it. And then also keep some stickers in here for Life Crafters, which is my clothing brand that I'm just working on at the moment, so I can stick them around anywhere that I want to. So, just on the left side of the camera here, I'll start with this lens. This is my 24 to 72.8. I use this quite often. Usually I'll use it to film these videos, but today I'm trying something a little bit different and I'm using the Sigma 14mm 1.8 so I can go super wide, but also because I want to be able to feature this in my camera bag. This lens is great for vlogging and for landscapes and everything you can possibly think of. It's got everything from the 24 to the 70mm and it's very versatile. You can use it in all different types of scenarios. So right next to that, I have this cable pouch, again from Tyoka. So inside this pouch, I keep my SD, micro SD and compact flash card reader along with the cable for it. And then I also have my CFast card reader here. Then I have two batteries for my 5D Mark IV and a charger for it. And then I've got a charger for a GoPro, a couple extra GoPro batteries, and then some GoPro mounts, a GoPro Hero 5, and everything you need to run a GoPro. Just below this cable compartment, I have my 1DX charger. I use this sometimes. I never use it when I'm on the shoot, so I'll just switch to my other camera if it runs flat, because it's like I need to plug it into a wall. Also below that, I have a USB wall charger just in case, and a GoPro stick, so I can put my GoPro on a stick if I want to. I like to keep my Canon strap in here along with my Canon remote. I use this for time lapses and long exposures and all sorts of things, but it just comes in handy sometimes when I'm on the road. So that was my travel camera bag 2019. I know it's only early. I'll probably end up upgrading this backpack sometime this year. So that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will leave a list in the description of everything that is in my camera bag, including a link to my camera bag where you can buy the camera bag if you're after it. Again, I think it's about $80 Australian. It's pretty affordable and really good for beginning photographers. They also have smaller versions of this bag as well. I have the biggest version that they had on there. But that was just so I could fit my 1DX in it. So if you want something smaller and you don't want to have 13 kilos on your back, then you can get one of the smaller ones as well. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please leave a like. Comment down below where you guys are from. I'm really interested to find out where you guys are in the world and what you're doing. So let me know, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.